frequently troubled by the hunters, a flock of parrots decided to leave a shady banyan tree where they had made their nests. They decided to shift on the tall palm tree, which would not be easy for the hunters to climb up. The chief of the flock inspected the palm trees before making the nests there. He found that the shade of the palm leaves were enough for them. The chief then called all his followers and asked them to start their work of nest making. All the parrots were happy to shift to the new place. They were thrilled to find their new homes. But the chief was cautious and was still inspecting the pros and cons of the new place. Suddenly, he noticed a small creeper near the tall palm tree. The chief called all the other parrots who were relaxing in their nest.
Come down here. A small creeper has grown near the palm tree. We must remove it.
The other parrots peeped out of their nests and looked at the small creeper on the ground. They mocked.
Oh, Chief, do you feel danger from this small creeper? You are always worried.
The chief tried to explain them the need for the removal. He said,
Today this small creeper is tender, so we can easily remove it. But after some time, it won't remain the same. It will develop into a strong, thick creeper like rope. This tender creeper of today, if not removed, will provide the support to the hunters to reach the nests. And then it will be disastrous.
The parrots did not want to come down as it would bring a halt to their enjoyment. They made some excuses and promised to finish the work on the next day. The parrots, dilly-dallying, allowed the creeper to grow. After some time, when the parrots tried to remove the creeper, it proved too strong to be removed. Soon the creeper turned into a thick, fibrous rope. And one day, proving the fear of the chief right, a hunter came there. He saw the thick creeper tied around the palm tree. The hunter found it quite easy to reach up to the nest with the help of the creeper. He climbed up to the nest and took away all the chicks of the parrots in their very presence. The parrots remained as silent spectators, as they could not do anything. After that, they left the palm tree. The parrots repented for not taking their chief's advice seriously.
Laziness and ignoring the elders are very bad qualities.
Parrots did not pay attention to their wise and experienced chief. They went on enjoying, and at last they lost their babies.
We should always obey our elders. Their experience is of vital importance.
Okay, kids, let's learn few new words one by one.
Kids, repeat the words after us. Mocked.
Mocked means treat with contempt.
Mocked means treat with contempt. Tender.
Tender means young and immature.
Tender means young and immature. Excuse.
Excuse means justification.
Excuse means justification. Repented.
Repented means turn away from sin.
Repented means turn away from sin. Okay, here is one question. Where the parrots decided to shift?
On the palm tree.
That's right.